Managing a local fleet is hard enough without being held hostage by 3-year contracts and complicated hardware, not to mention trying to make sense of everything being collected. Meet FLEETA, the simple, no-contract, dashcam-based fleet tracking solution powered by Blackview dashcams. Built for businesses of any size. Monitor your entire operation instantly with up to 64 live streams on one screen. 0 lag. Stay fully informed on your fleet's movement and activity with real-time GPS tracking, intuitive route visualization, geofencing, event logs, and more. And with FLEETA Intelligence, you'll get actionable insights that help you improve the safety and efficiency of your fleet. Review up to 120 days of tracking data and related events. Skip the mechanic and keep downtime to a minimum with simple DIY installation. When your vehicles are on the road, manage firmware and settings for any number of cameras at one time. FLEETA is designed to support every stage of your business growth, with tracking for fleets of any size and no long-term contracts. Take control of your business fleet today by starting your free trial at FLEETA.io. See more, pay less, sign nothing. FLEETA.